What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with a stock market analysis video. On and slash recap. We're gonna do it real quick and just because the market's gonna open in 10 minutes, and we're gonna do a real fast one just to go over some of the trades we took yesterday and what we looking for the market to do today. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna pull up the news that we got today. Actually, let me see. And all the news pretty much came out already, I believe. That was for today, so it might be clear slate. I mean, other than people randomly saying things and tweeting things, but I think we're pretty clean for today on the news. Now let's see. I mean, of course, the market gonna react to the news once it open up. But today we had jobless claims. Pretty much that was it. The main thing was jobless claims. Yeah. So we pretty much got a clean slate. So let's get into these charts, go over these the trades I took yesterday on June 4th and what we're looking for today. So give me 1 second. Alright, let's get into it. So yesterday I only got in 2 trades. No, I got in 3 trades. I got in SPY, NVIDIA, and Meta calls or longs. So we go up yesterday. I kind of felt like yesterday could have been a little bit of a consolidation day when I was looking in the morning. I was like, dang, we could, move sideways, but we're gonna get in some plays, or get in some trades to set up to go long, potentially. Um, but yeah, so that what happened yesterday. We ended up closing above this high. As y'all, if y'all go back to the old recap video, we said we was looking for a slight pullback after open, or just slight pullback in general, and then we was looking to take it long back up to the highs, and that's when we took it back up to the highs, but we end up holding the trades, man. We end up holding the trades. So, but we did get that pullback. We didn't get it all the way to where I wanted, because remember we wanted this 1 hour. I believe it was the 1 hour back. Yep, we wanted it to come inside here before we went long. And we got extremely close. You see, that's where we wanted it. But I ended up just getting in like right when it pushed back inside this gap. And took the long, this daily fair value gap. But like I said, when I was looking at yesterday, I was like, man, we could consolidate because we need a daily counter closer past this fair value gap on a daily. Not until we finally get a closer above, we ain't gonna be able to push all the way through. So, and as y'all can see, we keep pushing back inside um of this fair value gap. Like yesterday, we came inside. The day before, didn't close inside. Yesterday, we was playing all the way inside of it, still close outside. Today, I kind of can see us either playing inside, or if we open up above, then we can pull back and go higher. Um, so it's really, we gotta just get past this one fair value gap. That's all we gotta do. Um, but let's look at the market real quick. Oh, and then let me go over the other trades I went over. I mean, I took. I took Meta longs when it came down to 82. I missed the entry, like the very beginning pushes, but like all the way down here at 70, I missed them. By the time I got on charts a little late. By the time I got on charts, it was already up here. So I just waited on Meta to come back down towards this 82, and I took the longs right around here. Took longs. We end up being down a little bit, but it ended up pushing back through. towards as the day went out, we end up going higher. So uh yeah, I was trying to close. They tricked me. I was trying to wait on that metal because as y'all can see, it was just moving down this whole time after one. And this was the max my contract was for the day right here. But it ended up like just going on a down spiral. And I was just holding because I'm like, yeah, I still see us going higher. Like we got to get 8803. Um, because we got super close to 8803. We got 588 flat, and then right here we got I mean not 588, 688 flat, and then we got 687.95, and I was looking for 68803 to get taken. So I was like, if it don't take it today, it's definitely got to take it tomorrow. So I was just gonna hold it. Um, and then if, as y'all can see, the very last ending of the day, I got to go on the 1 minute just to show y'all how crazy this was. Literally on the 1 minute when we had about 1, 2, 3, within 5 minutes, Meta pushed from 85 all the way up to 88. So it jumped $3 within 5 minutes after going down um from for basically about an hour and a half or so. So when it spiked up right here, right when it took 83, I was trying to sell it, but the market closed right when I tried to sell it. I was trying to sell it right at 83 and just was gonna get back in tomorrow. So they kind of tricked me because I was trying to sell because I was like, hey, if it don't close above this daily high, I can see a retrace. You know what I'm saying? We can see a retrace pullback. And that's what happened. It didn't close above it, and I was upset, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. I was so mad it didn't sell. Like I pressed sell right at like 3, so I was upset it didn't sell because I wanted to just get in a re-entry in the morning. But we're in it. We're stuck in it. Stuck in it. But it did a pullback. Now it broke up higher. So hopefully we can stay up here. Stay up here. Today and potentially break this high again and get an hourly close above these highs, and I can see continuation up. Nvidia, same thing, pretty much took along when it was at 41 flat, I think. It was like 41, somewhere right here, I believe, 40, 70s, around there is where I went long. I got at 142 calls, so we already almost at 142. Well, we are at 142 in the pre-market. I'm really looking for this high to get taken, or at least 143.43. Then I'll probably be ready to sell. So let's go over the dailies real quick. What we think today's gonna do, and then we're gonna call it because it's gonna be market opening. So on SPY, we had our red candle. We did make a high. We did make a high right here. But we got our red candle. If we can push above this high, this new red candle low will be our what? Solidify low. So once we open, we gotta see this high get taken. Let me set an alert. We see that high get taken. Okay, bullish, bull. Like we should be running. Even though it did in the pre-market, we need to see it once the counter open. And this low will be our stop loss. Of course, we'll be targeting these highs, or targeting this fair value gap first, 601. And we definitely gotta, y'all know we gotta get above this fair value gap here on the daily. We want to see that close above 97. Yeah, so we pretty much just waiting. We either can wait on the daily close above that 597, that 597, what it was, 597.67, or you can get in when it cracked this high of this red daily channel, get in long. And your stop will be just below this red daily. Yeah, so that's pretty much it when it comes to SPY. Meta, even though we got red, I'm still looking for longs. I don't really want to play shorts yet on that on SPY. Meta, we straight green, so still just go long. I'm still long, bullish. All right, market open. We finna end it right here because I gotta manage the trade. All right, y'all have a good one. Your boy Keith is out.